Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to beginning 3D modelling with uModeler. We'll be using Unity, the real-time 3D development environment, and the uModeler Unity asset to introduce 3D modelling. We'll use the basic tools to create a simple car model based on this iconic Simpsons Canyonero. The car could be used as part of a Unity game or a VR environment, or shared online at a site like Sketchfab where you can show off your work. uModeler works right inside Unity itself. It's a great place to start creating gaming assets and environments. Once you're familiar with it, you may choose to graduate to uModeler X, which offers additional professional level functionality. If you're more interested in creating models for 3D printing, architectural visualization or other workflows, there may be more appropriate software for you to start your modelling journey. For examples, see the website. In this explainer, I'll download the Unity Hub, then install the current version of Unity LTS. Start by going to this address in your browser. Whatever you create in Unity, your starting point will always be the Unity Hub, so you need to download it. We're going to use the Windows version, so I'll click Download for Windows. Once downloaded, run the Unity Hub installation program and follow the instructions to install it. You're going to need a free account to use Unity. If you don't already have a Unity account, go to the person icon at the top left and select Create Account, and work through the fields to sign up. Once you've created your account, return to the Unity Hub and select at the top left to sign in. Once you've signed in, select Installs on the left. You're going to need a license to use the program. Go to Manage Licenses. I'm going to select to get a free personal license. This is perfect for new users and hobbyists who aren't currently planning to make money from their creations. Agree and get the personal edition license. Now I have a free license, I need to install a version of Unity itself. Select Installs, then click Install Editor. There are various official releases. Look at the long-term support section and select to install the latest LTS version. LTS versions of Unity are stable and have ongoing support, which make them a great choice when you're brand new and don't want to risk an update causing issues with your projects. We're not creating a game and we won't be editing code in this series. Accordingly, I can untick any extra components that have been automatically selected. The Unity editor will download, then install. At time of recording, this is around 12 gigabytes, so it might be time to grab a coffee. That's Unity installed and ready to go. In the next explainer, we'll create a new Unity project and install the Unity 3D modelling asset uModeler.
Pixels.cool.